Guys, we're back here for a new series on the channel. So today what we're doing is simple. I've never played Madden 24 before. I've never posted a Madden 24 video before. But so today I'm starting with two of my friends at Franchise. We're all in NFC West. I spin the wheel. I'm the Cardinals. My other friend's the Seahawks, and my other friends is the Rams because we banned the Niners because they're kind of too overpowered. So basically, first 3 years we're probably just gonna go for some rebuilds, then fight to see who wins the Super Bowl at one point. If you guys enjoyed this video, like always, please leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out a lot. Let's get straight on to the video. It's gonna be crazy. Yo guys, so I'm out here playing my first game. Let's go. I'm on new settings, and this might go poorly, but let's find out. McBride's open. Oh, he actually caught that. Let's go. Come on. A bit more power, and that was perfect. Let's give it a stretch. I don't like the look of that. Come on, he's open. Thank you. Open there if it stays open. No, it doesn't. But McBride, come on. Yeah, Toddy! What a touchdown. What a touchdown. And we get the ball back, come on. Yeah, my goal is to rebuild, not to win, but you know, if we're winning, let's just win, you feel me? Like, let's just win if we win, you know? Nice one, Connor.
He's flinging it around really well here. Really nice throw there to pick up the first down. You kind of just feel a laser focus and confidence about him.
Oh, what a pass. So open, bro. Let's go. Let's run that. Are we giving it to Brown? Nah, he's too close to give it to Brown. I don't like that look. Just dropped it. Oh, that tackle was nuts, bro. I mean, oh, why was he lurking there? No, that's not a pick six. How is that a pick six? How is that a pick six, bro? That should have never been a pick six in a million years, bro. Bro, that never should have been a pick six in a million years, bro. That's fine. Oh, how'd you drop that? How do you drop that? At least I didn't score. Let's just take it easy.
When halftime rolls around, Jonathan Coachman will have all the highlights and analysis of this first half of play from our studios in Orlando.
Come on. Randall Moore! Let's go! What a play! And we have a bunch of time. Love that. Listen. Oh. Let's go. He actually caught that. Nuts, bro. Wow. Let's just make it. Let's make it a. Let's just make it a one. Yeah, make it a one-score game. Oh my god. I might have just lost a game if I'm not punting. Oh. Yeah. Jesus. Oh my god, Wilson is so open, please. Thank you for not overthrowing that. I did not want a chance to sack or anything. I was just there like, get it to him as fast as possible. Come on. Oh, you're joking. If the pass was any faster, that was a freaking, maybe a touchdown, bro.
secondary. They've been shredded throughout the game and finally forced an incompletion.
They get 6. That'll leave them with 3rd and 4.
The goal defender can step up and fill it.
They did it well there. Perfectly executed crossing route. Now the throw on 4th down. Not to incomplete.
How about this defense? They came up with a couple big plays in this sequence, and none better than the one right there, forcing the incompletion and bringing up 4th down.
If they blitz, I'm kind of fucked, bro.
Murray sets to throw on 4th.
Oh my god, bro.
Had a season's worth of thrills already, and it's still week 1. Here's 3rd down now. Murray to throw.
Wilson.
That's
Nice.
He's going to get out of bounds with the 1st down. So that's a throw. Murray.
What was that throw, man? No. No, that was the worst throw I've ever seen. That throw was horrendous, bro. I'm gonna be winning, right? They won't score. Yeah.
We gotta have 2 hands on the football here as they run on 1st down. And I think this defense knew what was coming as he is smothered behind the line. Gotta figure the rush is gonna be fierce again as they come up 2nd and 13. He's gonna get it again. Just looking to get forward and protect the ball. Now the Card's gonna call another timeout.
No, I don't know if it's gonna be a pass or a run. I don't know if it's gonna be a pass or a run though. I don't like the uncertainty. I'm gonna call a pass. I don't like the uncertainty though. And they're not getting a field goal, which means they're punting. Come on, good stuff.
As of again, with just under 90 seconds remaining. Here's Tressway now as he's on to punt for Washington. He's averaging just under 50 yards a punt as he gets this away.
Why would you catch that? I didn't want to catch that. I didn't want to catch it.
42-7 on the return. And the Cards are...
He actually caught that. Like, he actually genuinely caught that, which is nuts.
Good route, good catch, 1st down, and he gets out of bounds.
They have to let the play call because you have to run some guys down the middle of the field to draw some of the defenders away. They can't just let them guard the sideline exclusively.
Right! If Murray knew how to throw. That is horrendous. That's horrible. He actually caught that. Oh, fuck's sakes. How far is that for a field goal? Oh, shit. No, I'd say I could run a field goal. I've got these, I need to try it. I think I need to try a field goal. 62 yarder, do you think I could hit it? PI, please. Please. Oh! 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 Oh my god. Oh. Oh, do we field goal or do we go for it? This is the biggest thing ever. We go for it. I say we go for it. That might be the dumbest thing I've ever done. No. No. No, I refuse. Oh my god. I just choked. I just choked.